This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and lift out the luggage compartment floor panel. Remove the polystyrene pad, then unscrew the retainer. Lift out the spare wheel and the vehicle toolkit. Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn using the brace supplied in the vehicle toolkit. Position the vehicle jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, ensuring the groove in the jack head locates with the flange. Rotate the jack handle clockwise, raising the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Place the wheel under the door sill as a precaution against the jack failing. Locate the spare wheel over the studs in the hub. Then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the punctured wheel, then rotate the jack handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts securely. Stow the vehicle toolkit in the wheel recess, securely refit the retainer and refit the polystyrene pad. Lower the punctured wheel into place and refit the floor panel. Close the tailgate.